Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a quick but very important update on PYTH. We previously shared our analysis and called for a move from the bottom, and what a catch it was. As you can see from our charts, the price found a perfect double bottom exactly where we expected it to, and that was the ideal dollar cost averaging zone. From there, the price launched, proving our analysis was spot on. For those who aren't familiar, PYTH is a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-time financial data to blockchains, and its structure is looking strong. This is a perfect example of a setup playing out with precision. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.